you e-learning classes managed by Modern English School Nawada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area Nawada. Today I discuss the second part of the words problem of the linear equations. You see here, and now solve from starting questions number 16. Here is that a two-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 35. If 18 is added to the number, the digit interchange their places. Find the number. Dear student, first your question is related to two-digit number, and I told in previous classes that type of questions you write four statement first. That what is unit digit, what is n digit, what is original number, what is reversing number. So first you write here solution, that is what is unit digit. You write unit digit is equal to x, 10th digit is equal to y. What is the original number? It is 10 into 10th digit plus unit digit, that is 10y plus x. And what is interchanging number? Its interchanging number is other number is reversing number. So reverse the digit, that is 10 into x, 10 into x plus y, that is 10x plus y. So dear student, first to write these four parts. If your question is related to two-digit number or reversing number, first you write unit digits, then write 10 digits, and then original number, and lastly you write what is the reversing number. It is also called the interchange number. Now, by questions, your question is the product of its digit is 35. Digit is here, one is x, another is y, and your question is product of digit is 35. That means x into y is equal to 35. So xy is equal to 35. It is the first equation. And next, if 18 is added to the number means original number. If any relation between the number, then it is clear it is the original number. So your question is, if 18 is added to the number, that means 10y plus x added to 18, the number will be interchanged, that means it is reversed. So it is 10x plus y. So now solve, it is 10y plus x minus 10x and minus y is equal to minus 18. Then it is 9y minus 9x is equal to minus 18. Then y minus x is equal to minus 2. It is second equation. Now find here is multiply and here is negative. Then there is one question is, that is a minus a plus b whole square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. Dear student, here a minus b given and a into b is given. So use the formula and you can find the value of a plus b, that is x plus y. So it is the value of y plus x is equal to y minus x whole square and plus 4xy. Then what is y minus x? Y plus x is y plus x whole square is equal to y minus x is equal to minus 2. Then it is minus 2 whole square plus 4 into 35. That is 4 and it is 140. So it is 144. So y plus x is whole square is equal to 144. But y plus x is equal to under root 144. Then it is clear, it is 12. So now you write the student here y plus x you get 12 and y minus x you get minus 2. When you write, then x cancel, it is 2y and it is 10. So y is equal to what? It is 5. And y plus x is equal to 12, then y is equal to 5. So you can find the value of x, and x is equal to 12 minus 5, that is 7. So what is the original number? Original number is equal to 10y plus x. So write here, that is original number is equal to 10y plus x, that is 10 into y 5 and plus x, that is 7. So it is 50 plus 7, that is 57 is your required number. So it is your solutions. So first you write unit digit, 10 digit, then original number, then reversing number, and from two equations you can find the result of this equation. Now see question number 20, and this question is related to numerator and denominator of the fractions. So dear student, here is, if 2 is added to numerator of a fraction, it reduces to 1 by 2. That means in any fraction, when we add 2 with the numerator, then we get it equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, if 1 is subtracted from denominator, then it reduces to 1 by 3. That means when we 1 subtracted from denominator of the fraction, then it becomes 1 by 3. So your question is find the fraction. You write here solution and write let numerator is equal to x and denominator is equal to y. Numerator is x and denominator is equal to y. So what is fraction? Fraction is equal to numerator by denominator. So it is x by y. By questions, first your question is, if 2 is added to the numerator, that means x plus 2 and y. If 2 is only added to the numerator, it becomes, otherwise what is here reduces, घटकर 1 by 2 होता है. When we add 2 with the numerator, then fraction becomes 1 by 2, that is reduces to 1 by 2. Means जब किसी numerator में 2 जोड़े जाते हैं, तो जो fraction है वह घटकर 1/2 हो जाता है. When you multiply, what you get here? You get 2x plus 4 is equal to y by cross multiplication. Then it is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. It is first equation. Similarly, second equation is what? It is if 1 is subtracted from the denominator, it is fraction, and 1 is subtracted from the denominator, it reduces to 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3. By cross multiplication, it is 3x is equal to y minus 1, that is 3x minus y is equal to minus 4. It is second equation. Now solve by elimination method. It is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4, and it is 3x minus y is equal to minus 1. Both are same, so we can eliminate this y with with subtracting, because both have same sign. So we subtract it, it is plus minus, it is minus plus, here minus, then plus. So it is cancelled. What you get here? Minus x is equal to minus 3. Then x is equal to 3. Now substitute the value of x in first equation, and equation is 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. You write here 2 into 3 minus y is equal to minus 4. That is 6 minus y is equal to minus 4. Then minus y is equal to minus 4 minus 6. Then minus y is equal to minus 10. So y is equal to 10. Here you find again 2x minus y is equal to minus 4. Here 2x is 3. That is 6 minus y is equal to minus 4. Then you get here, that is y is equal to 10. So what is the fraction? Fraction is equal to x y, numerator by denominator. Then x is 3 and y is 10. So it is 3 by 10. If O2 is added, then 3, 2 plus 5, then 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. So your solution is 3 by 10. So you solve these questions by numerator and denominator. You always suppose numerator be x and denominator y, and then by two equations you can write the equations, and hence by elimination you can find x and y and substitute in the value of fraction, then you get x by y. So dear student, now other questions of numerator and denominator, I think you can try and solve. If you have any problem, then ask to me. Now see question number 25. That is, there are two classrooms and their name are A and B. First condition is that if 10 students are sent from A to B, means 10 students sent from A section to B section. Then what condition? Then the number of students in each room becomes the same. That means when 10 students sent from A to B, then the number of students in both classes are equal. But second condition, if 20 students are sent from B to A, then condition is that the student in A becomes double of the number of students in B. So what is the number of students in each? We suppose let the number of A is equal to X, number of students of A X, and number of B is equal to Y. Number of A X student and number of B Y students. Yes. By question is what? Read again. Question is that if 10 students are sent from A to B, the number of students in A, X and B in Y. 10 students are sent from A. That means 10 students reduces from number of section. सेक्शन क्लास ए से 10 स्टूडेंट को निकाल दिया गया. दैट मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 10 स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम एक्स. सपोज हियर 50 स्टूडेंट, 10 रिमूव, दैट इज 40. सो सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम एक्स. बट दिस 10 स्टूडेंट गोज सेक्शन बी, सो हियर 10 इज increase, but A to B, then the number of students in each room becomes the same. That is, both are equal. When 10 students subtract from the X and 10 students increase in Y, then both students are equal. So you write here X minus Y is equal to plus 10 and plus 10. Here plus. So X minus Y is equal to 20. It is equation first. Similarly, now second, read carefully. If 20 students are sent from B to A, that means in A 20 students increase, but in B 20 students reduce. But here is condition is changed. Now if 20 students are sent from B to A, the number of students in A becomes double of the number of B. That means number of students this is double of the B. So it is equal to X plus 20 is equal to 2y minus 40. Then X plus 20 is equal to 2y minus 40. Now we solve here. That is X plus 20 is equal to 2y minus 40. Here the equations. X plus 20 is equal to 2y minus 40. Then you write here X minus 2y and is equal to minus 40 minus 20. Then X minus 2y is equal to minus 60. Here the implies right here. It is second equation. First equation is X minus y is equal to 20, and second equation is X minus 2y is equal to minus 60. Then subtract it in plus minus plus minus here plus here plus. It is cancelled. Then here y is equal to 80. So y is equal to 80. Now substitute here. That is x minus y is equal to 20. Then x minus 80 is equal to 20. Then x is equal to 20 plus 80. That is 100. So number of students of A in 100 and B is 80. Now if 10 students are sent from A to B, here 10 student is there, then here is 90, there is 90, both are equal. But then if there 20 students, then that is double. So number of students in section A is 100 students and number of students in section B is 80 students according to the question. Now friends, see question number 29. The monthly income of A and B are in the ratio 5:4. So its right solution, that is, let ratio of income be X. So income of A is equal to 5x and income of B is equal to 4x. Here given the monthly incomes of A and B are in the ratio 5:4. So income ratio Bx, then it is 5x and 4x. And their monthly expenditure are in the ratio 7:5. We suppose ratio of expenditure By. So expenditure of A is equal to ratio given 7y and expenditure of B is equal to 5y. Dear student, in this question there are two ratios. First ratio will be income and second ratio will be expenditure, and both are different. So suppose here ratio of the income be X ratio, then it is 5x and 4x, and expenditure ratio is 7y and 5y. You write here. Now your question is, if it saves rupees 9,000, that means it is the income and it is the expenditure. So what is the save? So saving is equal to income minus expenditure of A. So by questions you write here, 5x minus 7y is equal to 9,000 and 4x minus 5y is equal to also 9,000. It is first equation and it is second equation. Dear students, we will eliminate this is 5 and this is 4. So you multiply this equation by 4 and that equation by 5. The coefficient of this is 5 and 4. So we get here 20x minus 28y is equal to 36,000. And here multiply by 5, that is 20x minus 25y is equal to 45,000. And here plus then minus, here minus then plus, here plus then. So it cancel, eliminate. It is minus 3y and here is 45 for this. Then it is 9,000. So what is the value of y? That is 9,000 by 3. That is 3,000. It is the value of y. Now substitute in the equation, that is 5x minus 7y is equal to 9,000 and value of y is 3,000. Then 5x minus 7 into 3,000 is equal to 9,000. Then it is 5x minus 21,000, that is 9,000. Then 5x is equal to 9,000 plus 21,000. Then it is equal to 30,000. So 5x is equal to 30,000. What is x? X is equal to 6,000. Here, because 5x is equal to 30,000, then x is equal to 6,000. We divide 5x. So answer of x and y is 6,000 and 3,000. But it is not answer in your question, because your question is not asking what is the ratio. Your question is what is the per month income, monthly income of here, and your monthly income will be here. One is 5x, another is 4x, and x is the 6,000. So what is the income of A? That is 5 into 6,000. Then you get it is 30,000. It is the income of A, and it is 4. Then it is equal to 4 into 6,000. then it is 24,000. So your question is, what is the income of A and B? So income is the ratio of 5x and 4x. So only substitute the value of x in the equation, because your question is only find the income of A and B. Then income is 5x, so 5 into 6,000, that is 30,000, and income is 4x, that is 4 into 6,000, 24,000. It is the income. You know questions, find the expenditure, so cannot put the value of y in this question. Now see question number 32. A train covered a certain distance at uniform speed. If the train had been 5 km faster, it would have taken 3 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 4 km per hour, then it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the length of journey. That means find the distance. Dear student, this question is related to a speed and time. Here, when we are increase the speed, then time will be less. If your speed is slower, then time will be more. So here is suppose solution. The speed of train be x km per hour and time is equal to y hour. So what is distance? Distance is equal to a speed into time. So x into y, that is xy kilometer. Now by question, now if the train had been 5 km faster, then a speed is now x plus 5. But time had 3 hours less, that is time is y minus 3. Then what is distance? By question, it is distance is a speed into time, and distance is already given, that is xy. Now solve here, then you xy minus 3x plus 5y minus 15 is equal to xy. First multiply by x into y, x into minus 3, 5 into y and 5 into 3. So xy cancel, then minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. It is the first equation. Second equation, if and the train were slower by 4 km. So now a speed is x minus 4 km per hour. Here also write km per hour, and here is time is hour. So taken time 4 hours, and if train were slower by 4 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more. Then y plus 3 hour is the time. So by questions, x minus 4 into y plus 3 is equal to distance, and it is given x. Multiply here, xy plus 3x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to xy. Xy cancel. 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. It is second equation. Now write here, first equation is minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 15, and next is 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. Both had different sign, so when we add, cancel it. So here is y is equal to 27. So y is equal to 27. Now substitute the value of y in the first equation, that is minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. Here minus 3x plus 5 into 27 is equal to 15. Then minus 3x plus 135 is equal to 15. Then minus 3x is equal to 15 minus 135, that is minus 3x is equal to minus 120. Then it is cancelled. Then x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 40 and y is equal to 27. So what is the length of journey? Then multiply by x and y. So 27 into 40, you multiply and you get your solution, and that is 1080. So dear friend, try to solve y distance is equal to x into y, that is 27 into 40. Then 7 4 8, 108 kilometer is the destination, that is the length of the journey. So remain questions, try to solve by yourself. If any problem, then to ask to me. Thank you, dear friend.